The animals cope with extreme altitude, thin air and a tough life. The snow leopards look the same, but there are also new characters. This is a brown bear, a grizzly in all but name and tufted ears. He's rare, timid, and hardly ever filmed. The Tibetan fox hunts a rodent called a piker. Pikers live in dens like ground squirrels or rabbits and eat the tough grass. Pikers are the staple food of any predator. He's the most wonderful-looking fox, square-jawed, eyes of cunning, and a twisted, knowing smile. The fox and the bear go around as a team. More high-altitude cooperation, perhaps, or maybe the wily fox just follows the bear around, hoping to nab a piker from under the bear's nose. It's midsummer now, but the ground is usually frozen and only the bear has the strength to dig out the pikers. If the bear is digging up one end of the burrow, the fox is ready for the pikers to emerge at the other end in a panic. The bear missed out. The fox eats some and buries the rest. The deep permafrost will help keep it fresh.